नमस्कार दोस्तों, मुझे समय का ध्यान नहीं रहा। I lost the track of time. I lost the track of time. वह मेरी जासूसी कर रही थी। She was spying on me. She was spying on me. मैं तुम्हारे लिए पागल हूँ। I am crazy about you. I am crazy about you. तुम मेरे लिए बनी हो। You are the one for me. You are the one for me. तुम्हारी बातों में दम है। Your words have weight. Your words have weight. मैं उसे पसंद नहीं करता हूँ। I don't like her. I don't like her. तो फिर चले जाओ। रोक कौन रहा है तुम्हें? Then go. Who is stopping you? Then go. Who is stopping you? अब मैं कुछ बोलूं? May I say something now? May I say something now? ऐसी चीजें मैं भी नहीं खाता। I don't eat such things either. I don't eat such things either. कुछ भी हो सकता था। Anything could have happened. Anything could have happened. ऐसा गलती से हुआ। It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ। It happened by chance. It happened by chance. तुम सो क्यों रहे हो? Why are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping? शायद वो कल आएगा। Maybe he will come tomorrow. Maybe he will come tomorrow. कुछ भी रातों रात नहीं होता। Nothing happens overnight. Nothing happens overnight. मैं हल्का बीमार महसूस कर रहा हूँ। I am feeling under the weather. I am feeling under the weather. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है। The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. ऐसी बात मत बोलो। Don't say such a thing. Don't say such a thing. यहाँ पर कोई किसी का नहीं है। No one is here for anyone. No one is here for anyone. मैं जल्दबाजी में भूल गया। I forgot in haste. I forgot in haste. तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do it? How did you do it? कहीं न कहीं कुछ तो गलत है। Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. उसे मेरी जरूरत पड़ सकती है। He might need me. He might need me. कुछ भी व्यक्तिगत नहीं है। Nothing is personal. Nothing is personal. ये केवल एक सोच है. This is just a mindset. This is just a mindset. आप अपनी उम्र से कम दिखते हो. You look younger than your age. You look younger than your age. जो कुछ भी तुम्हें मुझसे कहने का मन हो. Anything you feel like telling me. Anything you feel like telling me. मैं हमेशा तुम्हें याद करता हूँ. I always remember you. I always remember you. क्या आप मेरे बारे में सोच रहे थे? Were you thinking about me? Were you thinking about me? मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. Nobody can stop me. Nobody can stop me. क्या तुम अंधे हो? Are you blind? Are you blind? वह कहाँ गया है? Where has he gone? Where has he gone? मुझे इसके बारे में बताओ. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. वो अभी गया है. He has just gone. He has just gone. मुझे बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं रहा. It completely slipped my mind. It completely slipped my mind. ये तो तुम्हारी शक्ल से पता लग रहा है. It is written all over your face. It is written all over your face. क्या तुम कार चलाना जानते हो? Do you know how to drive the car? Do you know how to drive the car? वह दौड़ ही रहा था कि गिर गया. He fell down while running. He fell down while running. तुमसे बात करने का अपना ही मजा है. Talking to you has its own feel. Talking to you has its own feel. बारिश में नहाने का एक अलग ही मजा है. Bathing in rain has its own feel. Bathing in rain has its own feel. तुम्हारे साथ रहने का अपना ही मजा है. Being with you has its own feel. Being with you has its own feel. ये लोग आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं. These people want to meet you. These people want to meet you. उसके सिर में दर्द है. He has a headache. He has a headache. मैं आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. उठ जाओ, 5 बज गए हैं. Please get up. It's 5 o'clock. Please get up. It's 5 o'clock. यह मकान किराए के लिए खाली है. This house is vacant for rent. This house is vacant for rent. तुम्हारे रूखे व्यवहार से उसे चोट पहुंची है. Your rude behavior has hurt him. Your rude behavior has hurt him. अब रोगी खतरे से बाहर है. Now the patient is out of danger. Now the patient is out of danger. हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते. We can't depend on him for help. We can't depend on him for help. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and support. I need your support. Radhe Radhe. Jai Shri Krishna.